everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and look at my fabulous finish. This is from Crystal Canvas Arts, and it is a fantastic koala and his friend Al and the bird, and it says be wild. I had so much fun with this. It was the perfect size, 40 by 40, fantastic rendering, great for me, a snack size. I needed something joyful, something that gave me a little bling. I love the quality of all the rhinestones and crystals. I interchange rhinestone and crystals, but they're crystals. And I just can't say enough for this. The glue was great. The crystals were great. I had plenty of them. As you can see here, they have the color on the left. They have the color on the right. And they have the little thumbnail up here. They have their logo. This is washi tape that I put around just to help, because when I lean over, like here, there's a hair that gets stuck, or my clothes. Oh, I missed a one right there. I did not. Usually I do like the light pad test where I turn the light pad on and I just kind of go through and see, did I miss any? And that I missed. So I will have to pull out my extras. So glad I have so many extras and fill that in. This was just adorable to work on. The color palette was just joyful. I'm very excited to put this in my portfolio. I have a very large portfolio that fits up to 40 by 50 paintings, and so this 40 by 40 will be great. And I have a companion piece I am going to unbox. So this is a post review and an unboxing at the same time. I will also at the end of this video put the link to the unboxing of this as well. Okay, so like I said, the glue is great. The symbols were great. There were a couple, like right here, they changed it to white so you could see the W. I wish they did that for A and 8, just because it was a little hard to see if you didn't have a light pad. So I would recommend anything that has a dark color to switch to that. Otherwise, everything was really good. I'm trying to think here. Symbol-wise, everything was pretty clear to see. I did struggle with the Q a little bit if I didn't have my glasses, but that's okay. Q and D kind of looked a little bit similar to me. If the Q had been white instead, that would have made enough difference that you could completely tell. Oh, I just popped that off because I am being aggressive. Ooh, aggressive, that's what we are. Hey, we're the best by far. Okay, ooh, I'm getting crazy. All right, so something that helps if you go to pet your painting like I do. Oh, where did I put it? You should see my space. It's like craziness. I was up till 3 last night trying to clean a little bit of it, and then I stopped because I was tired. Okay, getting a drink of coffee. Yep. All right, so glue is great, symbols clear, plenty of drills, love the rendering. Would I do this again? Yes, I would. So I give this 5 stars, 2 thumbs up. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so why am I doing an unboxing? Because I got this companion piece. When I saw her release this, I'm like, oh my goodness, I've got to get it because I can put it next to my fantastic Be Wild koala. And so I had to get it, so I got online. She's having a sale right this second if you're watching this in the present moment. So go, quick, before the end of August. If you're watching this after August, which I hope a lot of you subscribers that are after August do, she has sales all the time. So go join her Facebook group and follow. Okay, so this is the companion piece. It is also a 40 by 40. Oh, I dropped it. All right, so here's the toolkit. You get wax, you get a tray, you get a single placer with a squishy, and then there's a multi-placer in there. You guys ready? Look how adorable! I need to call these people names. Okay, so if you want to help me name down below koala, the owl, and the bird, and then also the panda, and it says Be Wild, so adorable. I think these would be amazing in my portfolio next to each other. So here, this has 24 colors over here. What I like about this, even though there's a lot of ones, these are all ones out here and these are all fours, this is a fantastic piece if you just want to space out and watch your favorite show, color block, and then you get the amazing sparkle when you're finished. But look how adorable he is. He's so cute. He's so cute. He's like my koala friends over there. Okay, it is poured glue. As you can see, it doesn't go really that far off, but I always still do the washi tape because along the edge, even if it's right up against the line, your hair and your shirt and you know, if you're eating some crackers, they might get in there. So I do always use my washi tape. Yeah, and so the symbols are pretty much the same. You can see there's one on the left, one on the right. This is also a 40 by 40. I'll give you a close-up of the symbols. Okay, let's lay this down and let's look real quick at these. There's going to be a little bit of crinkle, but I want you to see how these are packaged. Okay, so the way she has them packaged is by number. So I just usually do number 1 through whatever. I kit them up and then I know. Well, actually, I do the symbol because it's easy to do one with the letters. But these are just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous crystals. They have the silver backing. Sometimes the black, I'm trying to find the black. Okay, so the black is not crystal, still has the silver backing, and the reason the black isn't crystal is it actually gives it you depth, and that's what I love about it. Most of her paintings, the black is just opaque. It's not crystal form, and that gives you a good amount of depth. And then look at all these ones. 1s and 4s. So these are the 2 main colors that are in the background. All right, so I'm going to go through and make sure there's 1 through 24 in here. If there's not all of them, I will splice this video and let you know. But I know you have places to go and people to see, and I have a diamond painting I am ready to dive into. So thank you so much for taking the time to be part of the DP family. Go check out Crystal Canvas Arts, and until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.